Hey all, this channel is all about personal finance, and in next 30 seconds, I would tell you why you should be subscribing it. My name is Vishaka and I'm a techie, and I'm the one who's handling this channel. I didn't start investing as all other finance creators you follow did. I'm going to be 30 next year, and my portfolio is something similar to you all. That could be a connecting factor too. I wouldn't be bugging you with those apps and schemes. Rather, I'll focus on the basics and the fundamentals where we often lack. I know it's hard to accept the mistakes, and my biggest mistake during building this channel was I used automated voiceover. But I'm correcting it. Although I'm a camera shy person, I promise to provide valuable content without showing my face. If you could relate to me, please hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. And on those lazy Sundays, don't forget to tune into MoneySavvyPro. I'll be posting content that would be exciting for you all. Bye.